All right, so in today's video, I want to take a quick peek at Meta. Facebook overall has been doing quite well recently, and the stock is surging and powering higher and also breaking some key resistance levels. So I want to take a quick peek at that right now as we look at the stock moving. I mean, it's up $9 or so, and it continues to push and power higher. So looking at the company right now, we've had some resistance right around the 340 level. Actually, let's switch to the bars so it's easier to see on video. So we've had some of this resistance level, and the stock continues to now push and power higher. We've had some good volume here recently as well coming in, although the price didn't do much. So when we have this resistance break, this looks good and I really like it. So I would say, hey, depending on your position and what you're looking at, it could be a nice opportunity. Now, the stock has moved up quite well. Really, we've had some bad moves in this company over time. So over 2022, it's been down, and then 2023, it's pretty much coming back exactly to where it was before. So call it flat when you think about it that way. So here's kind of some of the resistance, and we are getting in there for a possible little resistance problem, but I don't think it's anything major or something to kind of concern yourself because stocks can go up for quite a while and quite a long time. Yes, they do get oversold, just like here in the past, we've had oversold level, boom, and then it snaps and whips back. So you do have some of that energy, and you might be in the overbought state where you could get a pullback. But if you do get a pullback, here's a couple levels I would watch. I would watch kind of this zone. Well, let's start from the top a little bit. I'd watch kind of this zone right here. This creates some of the support levels, this level as well coming back right here, and so right here also, because that creates another level of possible support. So these are just general previous support and resistance levels. You could also go with round numbers back over here where we had a 140 level, and ultimately anything from the low to the high, drop it down about 50%. That'll get you to about a nice $200 price level. Could also be a level to kind of watch right there. So anyway, the stock overall right now today doing quite well, fantastic and pushing higher. It's also, if we look at the SPY, it's helping push some of these things like SPX as well. We're powering higher again. The market's been doing quite well, and towards the end of the year, usually you get some good movements in stocks. So this one's also doing fantastic news-wise. I don't think there's anything major on the news from when I did a quick search or headline. Not that it really matters much because the news itself doesn't always dictate the price movements. But yeah, I mean, there's some news headlines and so on. But when we look at the stock price itself, it's doing well and it's continuing to push. If we go to even the 30-minute right here, here is kind of on the intraday basis. We've got this resistance, boom, powering higher. I mean, it looks good. Like, so these pullbacks, anything on a pullback, it's doing a lighter volume. So when you watch that volume, you're getting less volume on the pullbacks, which is a clear sign for quite a bit of health in the market. Anyways, want to thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that little recap and some of the technicals, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.